I need an arm and leg. I need an arm and head. Cartier and leather leg. Arm and leg. Head and check. Arm and leg. Head and check. Cartier and leather bread. Cartier can't fuck with the fed.
Yeah. It's up. I hear you did. It's your boy playboizuse, and I'm back with another bang. Yes, sir. Today we're gonna be doing a Q&A, and my expectations for 2020. We're in 2020. I was supposed to do this before I dropped that other video, but that other video was first. Had to get y'all that. Y'all was asking for that one. Thank you for running it up on that one. And I'm gonna need you guys to solve it. My post notification game is lacking. I don't know why, but y'all lacking. It's a bell right by the subscribe button. You gotta click and make sure it turns gray. Make sure when you click the bell, it says all, not personalized, all, so you get everything that I post. Watch the whole video. So the first question I got is, do I have a girlfriend?
No.
But then again,
no.
And the second question is, what makes me happy? What makes me happy is my editing, cause I go crazy. My surroundings, I keep lifted people around my surroundings. I can't have downers, like people who not throwing no shots or anything. I can't have slackers, none of that. I have go-getters around me. So you feel me? Surround yourself with whatever energy you want. Surround yourself around those type of people. And another thing that makes me happy is you guys. The love y'all be giving back after I drop a video is crazy. Like, most of you guys don't even know me. Most of you guys don't even know me. Like, seriously. Most of you guys from California, Georgia. Some of you guys are out of the United States. That's crazy. And you guys have supported me like this. So I thank y'all for that. How do I stay humble? I've always been a humble person since the get-go, you feel me? Even if I'm at 1 subscriber, I'm gonna stay humble. I'm not Hollywood, I'm not like the rest. Well, I'm not gonna throw no shots at all the YouTubers, but some YouTubers aren't as humble as they should be, you feel me? Because then again, it's you guys that make us what we are, you feel me? So why not stay humble, you feel me? If it wasn't for y'all, I wouldn't be at 1,000 subscribers. Some people come from struggle. I come from a struggle, so I gotta stay humble. That's one thing I gotta do. I can't switch up. I can't do none of that. I gotta stay humble. It's mandatory to stay humble. It's mandatory. In order to stay humble, you have to be humble. You gotta know that people did stuff for you, this and that, and you can't boast, like brag a lot. You feel me? And you can't throw shit at people that's doing worse than you. Some people are doing better than me, and I swear to God, some people are doing better than me, and they don't fuck me. I don't know why, but hey, I'm doing what I have to do, and I support everybody. I don't care if I don't like you, if you don't like me. I support everybody. I don't care. I don't care, because at the end of the day, we all trying to reach the same goal. I don't know if it's just the US or just like Florida. There's too much hate down there, so being humble is a main priority. On to the next question, you feel me? Your editing is fire as fuck. Can you make a video on that? Can I make a video on how I edit? Is that your question? I don't know. I'm not gonna say no, because right now I'm going through a laptop crisis, you feel me? My laptop barely shows like image because it failed once. But in the near future, I will show you guys how I edit. That's not hard. It's not hard. But thank you. Thank you for saying my editing is fire, you feel me? And we're going on to the next question. Yeah. Do I have a favorite YouTuber? If so, who? Favorite YouTuber, I'm gonna say the greats. PewDiePie has to be #1. DDG, Pretty boy Fredo, DJ Groovy, YN DJ, my boys, you feel me? My boys. Anybody you see me in a video with or collab with and anything, they bring so much energy around me, so I'm gonna definitely say my boys. Definitely. And the next question we got, who is my biggest role model? My biggest role model? I wouldn't say I have a role model or an idol or anything like that, but my biggest role model would be myself, because I'm trying to improve myself in many ways, you feel me? I'm trying to change some things about me that I don't like, and seeing how I was from back then to now, I'm very proud of myself. So my biggest role model would be me and the Lord up there, you feel me? That's my biggest role model. And the next question we got is my nationality. I am 100% Haitian from the islands of Haiti, from Port-au-Prince, Pétionville, Pèlerin. Yes, sir. I am 100% Zo, 100% Haitian. All right. How old are you? This gotta be from someone who don't watch my videos, but I am 21 years old. Yes, I may look young. I am not young. Do not being me. If you're younger than 18, do not hit me up. I'm surprised. And the person who asked this question, I'm surprised. I'm really surprised. What happened to the girl I was with? If she's no longer here, you have your answer. I'm not gonna go into that because that's personal life. I'm not gonna put my personal life out there like that. Where do you see yourself in 5 years? In 5 years, I see myself living my life, you feel me? Being who I was meant to be and being at the place that I want to be for myself. You feel me? I'm not gonna say being out of your parents' house is bad or good. It's not bad nor good, you feel me? But the more that you're with your parents, the more that you really don't have responsibilities. You don't have to pay bills, house bill, light bill, none of that. You're basically living on their terms and shit. I don't quite like that. Me, in the next 5 years, you'll probably see me in my own house, flying around the world, you feel me? Collabing with other YouTubers. Basically, what are my goals for 2020? My goals for 2020 is to be at 100K or more. I'm not gonna say we're not gonna reach 100K because I know we can, but I have to bust my ass to get to 100K this year. So no slacking this year. My goal is to drop a couple pounds, you feel me? I don't know if you see it, I got this little double chin right here. That gotta go. Drop some weight. Finally get me a car, cause it's sad. 21 with no car, 21 with no car, no, that's dead. So that, to be, I'm not gonna say I'm not happy, but to be more happy. There are certain days that I don't feel as if I'm doing anything with my life. And there's days that I'm happy as hell, I can't control it. Because if you know me, you know me. But there's days that I feel as if I'm not where I want to be at, and it brings me down at times. But my goal for 2020 is to better myself, better everyone around me, as a collective and as individuals, and to reach my goals, you feel me? 100K, lose some weight, get my first car, save enough money to live on my own. That's one thing I'm looking forward to. And to reach my 22nd birthday, you feel me? Because life is a gift. It could be taken away as quick as it can be given. So yeah, to reach my 22nd birthday and to better myself and to better you guys too. because I know I motivate some of you guys. I inspire some of you guys. Y'all be hitting my DMs saying a lot of stuff, and I mess with it. I haven't met a hater yet. So yeah, we're doing perfectly great, perfectly fine. Need to stay on that road. Y'all mess with my litness, so we gonna get lit. And another goal is to get merch out. I'm at 1,000 subscribers. Y'all need some merch. That'll come probably in the next 4 months. When are you gonna drop your hoes? Am I gonna drop my hoes for you? I don't have hoes. That's one thing I'm gonna say again. I don't have hoes. When will you drop another boxing video? Very soon. I want to do one at the beach during spring break. So around spring break, you guys see a lot of videos around spring break. So y'all better be ready for that. We're hitting, I told you, this year we're hitting 100K. We're touching 100K. Last question, when and why did you start this channel? Well, I started this channel in December 2015. I did know about DDG, but I wasn't really focused on being a YouTuber. I was literally stuck in sports. If you don't know, football was literally my haven. If anything came to it, football was first before everything. Before relationships, before school. Even though school was supposed to be before football, football was before school. I would literally stop hanging around certain people just so I could go to practice and stuff like that. Like, I wouldn't be around most of my friends because I'm going to practice. The reason why I started this channel was to inspire my young ones. And I'm gonna keep it 100 a buck with you. I'm a big person, you feel me? I'm very anxious at times. Anxiety kicks my ass like crazy. Sometimes I don't like to be around people, and sometimes I enjoy your company. But the reason why I started this channel was to inspire the young ones like me, who have a dream and want to become something in their life. Because education is not for everyone. Sports is not for everyone. Slinging dope is not for everyone. Football was definitely my thing. I thought I was going pro, this and that. Came toward the signing day, I didn't sign. The thing is, with me, like, I don't care if you got 2 million raw people on one team. I'm gonna work my ass off to get to where I know that I'm gonna put myself at a place that I'm gonna beat your ass and dog you out every day. Cause that's the type of person I am. That if you ask anybody who ever plays sports, they'll tell you that I'm a dog. I'm gonna work you each and every day, make you better and make me better. That's what teammates are for. That's what friends are for. If your friends cannot make you better, they're not your friends. Take yourself from around them. Like, seriously. If your friends cannot make you better and you can't make them better, those are not your friends. So what I want to do is inspire kids that are like me, that came from the bottom and trying to make it to the top, and don't think that they can make it to the top. Just because you're big don't mean you can't pick up this camera and record yourself every day and make a couple views and get a couple views. Numbers really don't matter until the thing about YouTube, and I'm gonna tell that for every YouTuber or anything in life, football have taught me this. Being consistent, that means going to the gym, this and that. Being consistent will get you to where you need to be. I swear to God. You guys keep asking, is there a back door through YouTube? There's no back door. Back door through football, there's no back doors. Work hard, consistency, and just have that go-getter mindset, you feel me? You gotta go get that bag. It's to influence the young kids and to give them that drive that they need, that anybody really can make it in this industry. Either football, either if you want to be a doctor, you can make it. Be consistent with your work though. You have to be consistent. You gotta be in there. You gotta be in there. You can't be all over the place. You gotta be in there. Whatever you want to be, just be consistent at it. That's one thing I'm gonna say for my little kids. And for some grown folks tell me I'm their motivation too, you feel me? Just be consistent. Get up out that bed, go do what you gotta do. Go do what you gotta do. And the last thing I'm gonna say is I love y'all. And go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you got a couple pointers to make yourself better. Chase your dreams. Chase your dreams. Go get that bag. Stay consistent. Work hard. And I swear to God, at the end of the day, you'll be successful. But I know y'all gonna enjoy this video. Go ahead, click that like button, subscribe, turn on post notifications to be notified when your boy dropping. And we out, you did. I love y'all. Click.
Different forms every day of the week. By my hustle, I learned that from the streets. Mama saying she be praying for me, but the life that I live, this how I gotta eat. Cups of syrup steady fall in my liver. Fuck a Juno, but you know that I miss her. I hate myself, I can't stare in the mirror. I won't show it cause I'm more a pretender. And a ghost, I hopped out of a phantom. 14K gold on cabana.